Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a 3D post using Canva. We're going to be needing a background, a square frame, and an image of somebody sitting. Alright, I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to select my Instagram post. I'm going to adjust the size. Okay, once that step is completed, we're going to go to elements and we're going to select our frame. We're going to adjust the size to fit this square in the middle. Now we're going to add our background. Once we add our background, we're going to select the three dots. And we're gonna lock this frame. Okay, so now we're gonna get the image of the person sitting. We're gonna go to edit image and we're gonna be using magic grab for this one. Okay, so now we're gonna get rid of the background that was there. And we're going to adjust the size of the person sitting. Now you can go ahead and add whatever elements you want to add to give it more life. So I'm going to add this text that I just created. I'm going to position it to the back. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.